Hey there, I'm Stephen Leonard from ThinkCloud. Yes, we are part of the Geeks on Tap organisation, but focused on consulting and bespoke solutions for larger organisations. Today, I want to speak on transformation. This can be confused with evolution, which is incremental change. I'm not talking about that type of activity, but I'm talking about activities that disrupt your marketplace and disrupt your own processes and people and deliver dramatic results. Transformation is the integration of people, process, and technology to create something truly new and unique. Technology-powered transformation can be transactional, strategic, or informational. For example, transactional would be the ability to empower frontline workers to manage the sale via pricing and tap technologies. This transforms and speeds up the relationship between your products and services with the customer to do more deals more quickly. Informational is sometimes called business intelligence. That's, for example, is the ability to collect information real time from the point of contact with the customer and build customer personas that are accurate and can be tracked over time to uncover trends. Strategic is taking that information to build new offerings to customers that is innovative and disruptive in terms of the range of services or the reach of that service. Sounds exciting, right? But it's never easy, right? It takes a deliberate effort to build a culture of transformation, initially starting small and then expanding quarter by quarter, year by year. The challenge I've seen over my career is undue focus on technology and low consideration for people and process, with technology going first and people following and process following. Now, this can work in a scrappy way, but it's never been able to extract the true value of technology. To get your people engaged starts with inspiring, then discovery that releases the idea and knowledge, particularly with your frontline people. Once that is agreed, then you can move to the technology via prototype scenarios. Google, being a serial disruptor, is very good at this. Their process is excite, a plan that is communicated well, enable, engagement of people and process, expand, training and strong feedback paths. Finally, embed, report and delight stakeholders, making transformation part of your culture with the aim of ongoing successes. If you want to explore transformation, you can kick off the process with a transformation workshop. And it's as simple as contacting one of our team for more information. We hope to get your creative juices flowing on how you can enhance and expand your business with technology. This has been Stephen Leonard from ThinkCloud, and we'll see you soon.